Everyone, this my lecture topic is India's foreign policy. Since independence, we have seen that it's around 75 years since independence. We have seen India's different nature and the world bipolar nature. We have seen bipolar nature and the growth of the Soviet Union and US. Then we have seen a nature of unipolar nation where we have seen America's hegemony. And later on, we saw a bipolar growth towards China and US hegemony. Then we Indians, we come with our own policy, which is India First policy. We basically talk about the growth of our nation with the Panchsheel agreement that we have. Panchsheel agreement that we signed in 2021 during United Nations conference, and basically the Panchsheel agreement was basically to establish a relationship between the Tibet region and India. It mainly highlights 5 points. It basically talks about mutual respect, coexistence, mutual benefit, and non-interference and non-intervention. When it comes about interference and intervention, we definitely not interfere in someone's own diplomacy or politics that is going on in some other country. But when it's about India and someone is showing some kind of aggression, then definitely we revert back and we aggressively find a conclusion to it. As we all know, we also follow a policy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam basically we say as India as a whole family, a world is a whole family. Basically, in all the diplomatic relations, we have established a relation where we say that we need to work as a whole. As we see in different nations, our diplomats are working for the growth of our nation. We have established different economic ties, World Trade Agreement. We have given our voices to grow as a nation. Then we have, as our former APJ Abdul Kalam said, that India needs to grow as internally as well as externally. How? Because a country where we can grow can't revert as a nation. As rightly pointed out by Mahatma Gandhi, that a politics without the ethics and the preventions are disastrous.